Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the practical pieces in place. Hang a smooth matte green and remove creases. Once done, position yourself or your subject about 3 to 6 feet from the screen to minimize green spill and shadows. Set your camera on a tripod and switch to manual exposure so levels don't shift. Then build a basic 3-point lighting setup, key, fill, and a backlight to separate the subject from the background and create consistent color for easier keying later. You now focus on capture settings to preserve usable footage. Manually set white balance and lock exposure. Do not rely on auto modes that change mid-shot. Choose the lowest noise profile and highest clean ISO your camera allows, and prefer 4K if you need extra keying detail. Record a reference frame with a color chart or a still green patch for troubleshooting. Make sure motion is intentional once locked. Keep camera and lights consistent to make the keying process predictable and clean. You finish by importing footage into your editor and applying a chroma key. Sample the green and increase tolerance only until the background clears, then refine the matte with choke and soften controls to tighten edges without losing hair detail. Apply dispill to remove remaining green reflection and use secondary matte tools for stray pixels. Once composited over your chosen background, render a short test clip. If you see color spill or edge halos, adjust lighting or re-record with more distance and repeat the keying process.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.